here I am, ready to start my game outside. But you know what? It's raining out here. Guess I'll have to have fun in the house. I think I got an idea. So here's a game I made up. I call it wind ball. So all you do is you take a ping pong ball and a table. And I put a scoring thing in the center of the table. So there's a little ring on there, like a recyclable thing you would get when you use bottles. And I want to use recyclable things as much as I can because we like to reuse, right? So in there I put a sheet of paper, and in this sheet of paper I have different numbers. And the numbers mean how many points that you get if you can get the ball in the rings. Now, I made it a little more difficult because you can't touch the ball. The only thing you can do is use your breath. That's going to be hard. I also, to make it extra hard, I'm going to put some of these bottles on here just to make it so we got to get around them. You want to see me play? Let's see. Here we go. Oh. Take it down. Yeah, the thing. You got to switch the... So I kind of had some problems with my game. You saw that as I was blowing, the paper kept moving. I just wanted to blow the ping pong ball. It's not very easy with a moving paper. So I could either come up with a different game, or I could try to make this one better. I think I got an idea on how to make it better. I'll bet I could use some tape. Okay, now that we've created our game and we've kind of played it once or twice, we need to be able to tell other people how to play your game. So what scientists do whenever they design something is they have to write it down. Now in science, a lot of times we call this a model or a prototype. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a prototype or a model for my game, wind ball. And then you can create a model for your game. So let's think about wind ball. What are some things that I need? Well, I definitely need a table, right? So I'm going to draw a circle or an oval with some legs and make it look kind of like a table. I can even name it table. I got to put a name on there. And your parents can help you name some things if you want to put some words on here too, because a lot of times models have words. What else do I need for wind ball? Well, I'm going to need a ball, right? So let's put a ball. I'm going to make a circle right here, and I'm going to call that ball. In fact, it's not just a ball, it's a ping pong ball, right? So I'm going to call it ping pong ball. Okay, awesome. Now, what else do I need? Ooh, I need a person. Someone has to be playing the game, right? So let me draw a person right here. And this person, I'm going to put their mouth over here because they have to be blowing wind at the ball, right? Because that's how you make the ball move. The object that we want to move is the ball, okay? So what other objects or things do we have in this game? Well, we have to have scoring, right? Didn't I have the little plastic thing with the holes in it? So let's make some circles here in the center that are supposed to be like the plastic scoring. Now, it doesn't have to look exactly like the plastic. In fact, I made it red, and my plastic thing wasn't red, but that's okay. Color's not that important. I do want to put some numbers in there. We'll put some 1s and some 2s for the scoring, because that's kind of how I made my rules for the game. Let's see, what else did I have? What other objects did I have in my game? Oh, the water bottles. I got to put the water bottles in here. So I'm going to put just some filled in circles for my water bottles. And we'll just put a few of them there. I don't even remember how many I had. I'll put 5 in there. But those little circles, I better label those. I better name those bottles. Okay. This is a pretty good game, right? So, the last thing I probably should do on my model is I should give it a name. And we call this wind ball, right? So let's find a color here that I like, and we're going to call it wind ball. All right, this is a pretty awesome model that really explains kind of how my game works. Can you draw a model of your game? Can you draw a picture of you playing your game? That would be awesome. I can't wait to see it. When you're done, you can bring it to school and show your teacher. Okay? Or send me a picture too. That would be awesome. Making models is a great way for me that I really like science.